Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video, and today we are reacting to another chainsaw fail compilation. Comprehension. Hasten. If that's your thing, please give me a like. I had garlic bread for my dinner and I'm worried I've got some parsley in my teeth. Yeah, this is by FailTube. All the links for the source will be in the description as usual. So please do click on those links if you're interested in more content from myself over on Facebook. Right, without diddly doodly daddle doo doo, let's get into this video. So this is from FailTube. It is top tree cutting fails, compilation, and idiots with chainsaw. Exclamation mark, shouty stick, dangerous skills. Let's have a look. Just gonna point out this guy at the back. Look, this guy here. I don't know if he should maybe move. If I was him, I wouldn't be stood there. And I don't know, is this cameraman stood here so close to this tree? Yeah, this guy's... I don't know what he's doing. What's he trying to do, this dude over here? Yeah, I think he cut a bit too far into that, mate. Sounds like it's just sat there. Knackered. Chainsaw up. See, look at this guy! Let's go back, I want to show you that. Look at this guy, he's just stood there with his arms folded. Is that a bottle of booze there? What's that? Whiskey. Just look at him, he's just like, yeah, it's a tree. Look at this massive beast here. Oh, shiz. Oh no, look, they're in as well, the fire's going.
Oh, shit.
Oh! Oh! I wanted to show you that. They were in. Let's go back a bit. The fire was going. Can you imagine just sat there watching TV and that comes through the roof? We've seen this, haven't we, guys, in the previous videos. The thing that annoys me is they went up the tree to take the branches off, as you can tell. Why didn't they just lug down a few lumps? Cut a few lumps down of timber? Suppose we'll never know.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh!
Classic. Wife's filming. He feels like an absolute man with his chainsaw. And, oh, don't worry, darling. I'll sort this out. Don't call in the professionals. Nah, I don't need it. I'm a man. I can do this myself. Lo and behold, straight onto his house. More work. Damage.
Well, I don't think I got that. But
We've seen this one as well, guys, haven't we? Huh? My concern about this is he's not wearing a hat, hard hat, not wearing any defenders. He's using a top-handled chainsaw. That's where it's used for climbing. You're not supposed to use that on the ground. The weight is here, so that's only going to fall one way towards where he doesn't want it to go. So yeah, he's not even looking up either. He's thinking, oh, it's just going to fall away from me. Denied. Dog's loud, isn't it? Shit. German Shepherd there. Ah, never rock it, mate. You should never rock a tree. Oh dear. Is that a rabbit hutch up there? What is that? Is that a dog kennel? Has he got a flock of rabbits in there? Is it a flock of rabbits?
Animateur, regarde.
Exactly. Nah, you're not that strong, pal. You can't fight gravity. Idiot!
Il penche vachement par là, bébé. Fais gaffe. Allez. Voilà. Voilà.
Oh no. Oh man. Oh, come on. Clueless. You can see here, look. So the tree goes up. I can't see the brush, to be fair, at the top of the tree, but look. It goes up and it starts to go back. Starts to lean back slightly. Look where his felling cut is. It's about there. It needs to be about there if he's got any sort of chance. Well, let's see. It might go the right way. Let's have a look. I don't trust it. They're not wearing hard hats. This guy's on a mobile phone. He's drinking a bottle of beer. Actually went better than I thought, to be fair. Just took a little nub off the end of the gutter and still stupid. Still wear your hard hat. Always wear your hard hat. Can anyone see what the problem is here? Bit of common sense problem. Again, they're wearing no hard hats, right? No hard hats. No ear defenders. He's in a pair of shorts. He thinks he's going to the beach, this man. Do you know that a chainsaw can go through skin like butter? Bone, easy. And the worrying thing is here, this guy thinks he's living the dream, helping out. There's a chainsaw there at his stomach level. So if this guy hits a little knot or something, that's just going to bounce back and just cut open his stomach. Intestines out on the floor, just for a laugh. So yeah, clueless. He's not even took his cut out of the front. Well, let's have a go, mate. Let me have a go with this. Let me have a go. I'll show you how it's done. Wow. You can't catch it. Oh, look. Look where all the weight is here. That's broken out of it, obviously. There's like a big broken bit there that's hanging. Why did they think that was going to work? All that weight there. And look where the rope is again. I've said this in the previous chainsaw reactions. It's halfway up. You need it up here. Look at this. It's going to cause a mess. Oh man, power lines as well, look. Did it miss the power line? I was saying this one, guys, aren't we? Yeah. We know what happens here. Dear oh dear. Felling cut's way too high as well. He has no idea. straight through the roof.
No kidding.
What? What's he saying? Something you want to try yourself? Oh my god, wait a minute. I only just noticed this. Old granny knot. Old classic shoelace knot, just holding these two pieces of rope together. My. Silly. Yeah, that's it, mate. Get down and help. That'll do it. That'll help.
Here it comes.
There it comes, yep. Bam. I hope no one was in there. Oh, God. Oh, come on. Oh, jeez. I've got a word of warning here. This is brutal. I've seen this before. This is what you should never do. This guy looks in his 60s as well. And he's got no rope or no... Look where the ladders are. Look. That's balanced on one run. These aren't even on the tree. Eh? Not even tied on. Oh, man. This is... I've just got to warn you guys. This isn't a pretty one. There's no blood, by the way. You just... This is a serious warning to anybody wanting to do this themselves. You shouldn't even be up that ladder. Like, what? I don't understand what his thought process is. He needs a hard hat on. He needs a harness. He's going up there on a ladder, balanced on one run. You need a crane on the road. It's probably management's fault. Oh no. It's a long way down. Why does it sound like they've eaten helium? Oh, God. I think that'd sting a bit, if I'm honest with you. Slight bruise. I hope he's alright. Seriously? So guys, that was FailTube. That was FailTube reacting to some idiots with chainsaws, dangerous skills. There was no skill in them cuts at all. The links for this video and my socials will be in the description box below. I stream every night on Facebook Gaming, 8:30 PM until 10:30 PM. If you want to come and say hello, introduce yourself. But I appreciate you watching. Subscribe for more content. I upload daily. Big love, guys. Have a great rest of your day.